Hey guys, welcome to the Focus Report from Focus Camera. This week we talk about star maps, the health benefits of Project 365, and a breakthrough drone sensor. I'm Matt Nelson. Today's Friday, May the 4th. Telescope not cutting it for you? Need a more comprehensive view of the night sky? Look no further than the European Space Agency's Gaia mission star map of the Milky Way. The project was launched in 2013 from French Guyana to create the most detailed 3D star map ever. It utilizes the largest digital camera in the solar system, at least as far as us Earthlings know, made up of more than 200 CCD sensors. The map will help enhance our knowledge of the universe, even well-known areas like our own sun's neighborhood. Next up, a photo a day keeps the doctor away. Researchers in the UK have discovered that a daily practice of photography in the form of a photo a day assignments like Project 365 have noted health benefits. Not only does it act as a form of self-care, but taking daily photos also improves quality of life through community interaction and enjoyment of reminiscence. According to one of the study's participants, it's really good to be able to take 5 minutes every day to do something slightly creative, which I enjoy doing and I think is good for well-being. It's positive that it gives me something to look forward to. Lastly, Phase 1 released a breakthrough medium format drone camera that is the first to utilize a 100 megapixel Sony backside illuminated sensor. The IXM 100 megapixel enables high light sensitivity and better dynamic range for assorted mapping, surveying, and inspection applications. It also incorporates 4 new Phase 1 RSM lenses from 35mm to 150mm, which delivers sharpness across the image. That's it for this week's report. Make sure to give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. I'm Matt Nelson. I'll see you next time.